Windfall, wonderful audience, we run, we win. This is James continuing our discussion and simple lessons on chess. Today we're going to talk about the knight. Of course, when I was a kid, we referred to him as the horse, but this is the knight, and we see where they're positioned depending on what side you're on, depending on what side you're on, but so that's where they are, one from the end. And so basically our knight's moves are simple. They move in L's. They move in L shapes. That's up to right. So it has to be an L. They move two and then one. Say move two and then one. So they can move two and then one. Two, then one. Two, then one. But it has to be two first. So they can go forward, they can go straight back or forward, two, then one. Then two, then one. So we see, so that's how our knights move. Two, then one. Two, then one. And so that's how they move. And that's also how they take people as well. So we'd have to set up, so someone would have to be here. And the cool thing about the knights, I have to add this too, is that the knight can jump. It is the only character that we have, the only character that can jump another character. Knights can actually jump. So this knight can jump. So first let's do that lesson just to let you know. A knight, because you see the knights usually they start on the back and they have the little pawns in front of them. So this knight can, of course, jump. It's the only thing that can jump. It can actually land where it's going, up and down. So if you really analyze, that would probably be better to do up than down, because the knight can jump. So when I say two then one, so it's really up then down. So if we were like, for instance, if there were two right here, two enemies, and he wanted to go there, he can actually go there. Two then one. And stuff like that, or two, whatever. Now this is how they take pieces, is wherever they land, wherever they take it, they can land on that person. And so if this person's here, from the perspective of the game, you can land on this person and take him. So, we flip it around. If you're playing white, and the person has to be there for you, you land on that person and take him. So that is how the knights take their people. So there you go, and see you next lesson. Remember, live, move, be.